Good day everyone, my name is Bernice and I'm here to talk about technical elements of drama. The first on my list is the scenery or the sets. There are any equipment such as curtains, flats, backdrops or platforms used in a dramatic production to communicate environment. The next one I'm going to be talking about are the costumes. They are the clothing and accessories worn by actors to portray character and period. Props. Short form of properties. They are any article except for costume or scenery used as part of a dramatic production. Any movable object that appears on stage during a performance, from a telephone to a train. The next one are the lights. The placement, intensity and color of lights to help communicate environment, mood or feeling. The next one I'm going to be talking about is the sound. They are the effects an audience hears during a performance to communicate character, context, or environment. The last one I'm going to be talking about is the makeup. They are the costumes, wigs, and body paint used to transform an actor into a character. Thank you.